Okay, this is off the practice test, and try to ignore the washing machine in the background. It says we want to find the maximum profit and the number of units that must be produced and sold in order to yield the maximum profit. Assume that revenue, R of X, and costs, C of X, are in thousands of dollars and X is in thousands of units. Okay, so the way I approached this was I know that profit is equal to the revenue minus the cost. And so that would give me the 6x minus 3x squared minus the x to the third minus 5x squared plus 2x plus 1. And so I'm just going to simplify this, being careful to distribute that negative. And I'm going to combine like terms and put in descending order. And so that will give me a negative x to the third plus 2x squared plus 4x minus 1. And that is in fact our p of x. I want to find any critical points for that profit. So I want to find the first derivative. That gives me negative 3x squared plus 4x plus 4. And to find the critical values, we have to set that equal to 0 and solve for x. Now I did use the quadratic formula here to do that, and so that gave me two values for x. One was a negative 0.0667, and one was simply 2. Well, the negative is not going to be appropriate for us, and so we do come up with x equals 2. Up here, it tells us that x is in thousands of units. So we're going to take that 2, multiply it by 1,000, and that gives us the first answer of 2,000 units. You can see that it's already there for us. Now, to find the profit, I'm simply going to take the 2,000 and I'm going to plug it into my profit function. So I'll have P of, you can use 2,000, or I'm going to backspace a little bit here because we know it's in thousands, and just to keep the numbers easier, I'm going to use the 2 and then we'll multiply by 1,000 at the end. So I'll have P of 2 plugging into, as I said, the P of x. So we'll have a negative 2 to the third plus 2 times 2 to the second plus 4 times 2 minus 1. And that will give us the negative 8 plus 8 plus 8 minus 1, or 7, because it's also with the thousands, and we used a 2 instead of 2,000. We're going to multiply that by 1,000, and we get that our profit is 7,000.